Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with another Quickie Stickii unboxing. It's been a little bit since we've done one of these, so I am excited to jump into it. For those of you guys who don't know or haven't seen it on this channel already, Stickii Club is a monthly subscription service that I get, and I like to share it with you guys because I just am very enthusiastic about stickers, and I just feel like you guys should also share my enthusiasm. It's $14 a month, I believe, now. I will link it down below. I am not sponsored, so, you know, I could be. But I'm not, so, like, I don't get anything for that. But we're going to jump in and open it up. I'm very excited because it's been a while since we've done one of these, and we're going to start today with the vintage pack. So let's see what we got. It's furniture. I don't know what the theme is. Let's see. Marvels of the Manor. Why did I say that so weird? Manor. The Manure. That sounds like manure. I guess not. Manure. Lenore. So yes, the theme is Marvels of the Manor. And this month we got another little notepad. Why are we so far? Hold on. Alright, saved you guys the awkward zoom. And here we go. So we have this really lovely, like, sitting room, I guess you would call it. Little, like, classical sitting room decoration here, little notepad. So that's pretty neat. And then for the special pocket, we got, it looks like these are also, like, larger stickers. Yes, they're sticky. And it's like some aerial shots, like of fancy estates and their gardens. Is that AI? No. No. I'm so like AI art crazy in the whole conversation about the ethics behind it right now that everything looks like AI to me, even though it's not. So no, this is just some like palatial expanses, I guess we'll call it, for a fancy little vintage type manor. Well, now I can't say it because I fucked it up the first time. So for our first sheet, what do we have? We have Aya Kim at Aya's Art Room. That's her stuff there. With this like charming little linen textured little kitchen. It's kind of cottagecore. That's what it's giving. Little cottagecore, little Victorian type house vibes. That's cute. And then we have a Stickii Club set of keys. And these are on translucent sticker paper. Not that you guys can see that. It just looks like white, but it is translucent. From my side, we got some of these nice old skeleton keys. Focus. Literal skeleton key. And then, I don't know why this one just won't pick up. Maybe because there's other stuff in the background. Hold on, let's see. It's either that or like my eyes are going crazy right now. And this cute owl one. That's neat. And then up next, we have Lapencia. And that's her handle. And this one's getting more like dark academia and witchy. Little house vibes. The little hand of fate. And I love this lady. She's cool. I want to hang out with her. So those are nice. Little family portrait. Little teeth. Just some teeths there. So this one's really nice. I'm trying to figure out what the backing is for this because everything is blacked out. Oh, they are all translucent. So that's really cool. The backing is translucent even though it's all colored in here. So that's really nice. I do like a translucent sticker. Having to like fussy cut them sometimes makes me crazy. And then here's just some bits of furniture. They're very tiny bits of furniture from Stickii Club with a little furniture store. So that's cute. And then these are illegible. Hold on, this gotta come up to my eyeballs. It's Nastya.chay, Nastya.chay, on this like vellum type paper. So it's really nice, little mansion type here. This set just seems like it'll be really good for like background stuff to use in like collages and embellishments and stuff. And then we have this gold, what's kind of like bronze and purple foiled set of little furniture pieces. A little bit baffled on what I'll do with those, but you know, it looks nice. And then we have some stained art pieces from Stickii Club. Stained glass art pieces from Stickii Club. And these ones are nice too. It's a really pretty set. And then the last thing is just like a postcard from Stickii Club. And that's really pretty. Just like a little bit of classic art. Some study stuff. So that was the vintage pack. I have feelings, but I don't know what they are. If that's like a mood anyone has ever expressed to you about my, or your feelings, I guess, on this particular matter. So let's see what we got here. This is the pop pack. They also have a cute pack. I don't get that one because I don't have a use for it. And then I sometimes just drop off one or the other of these packs, but I do get these ones the most. So this month for the pop pack, it is Buried Blooms. Look how pretty that is. So love that. I think I'll have a lot more like inspiration here with this set. And then these, I think it's like kind of ironic. The last time we did this, I was complaining about getting another sticker book. And then now this month, like, I got another set of like Post-it notes and these stickers, which I've never gotten anything like this before. These are really pretty. They're like X-ray slide type stuff. This is really cool. So I love this. I'm gonna try not to hoard these forever because I love them so much. And then we also got a little stamp. I don't know if you can see it with my fingers there. So here, got a little like Lily of the Valley Poison Skull stamp set. So that's actually really cool too. So some cool stuff to start off with already. So let's see what stickers we got. They're vacuum. There we go. That was a good seal. Someone pressed this like package real hard. So first up we have Haven Peckover. She's got some like fun, like sketchy, artsy style, just nature bits. So I love that. I love the colors. These are really pretty. And then we have me punching the camera while I try to move stuff around. And this is by Galacticsy Illustrations. And this is cool. It's a bunch of like really stylized hands holding cool shit. And there's some garden stuff. There's a fish smoking a cigarette. That's cool. This is like rebellious, like punk rock garden stuff. And I'm here for it. I love that egg. That egg is cool. And I love the two-headed dog. I wish it had 3 heads because, you know, myth head's got a myth head. But, you know, there's a 2-headed dog in Greek mythology too, so it works. And then this is from Stickii Club, and it is silver and gold foiled. Little spooky gothic-y bits. And some flowers. This is very witchy, and I love it. And there's the Lily of the Valley design. So their artist must have come up with this little draw. That's very nice. I do love that. And then this one I'm super excited about because I follow this artist on everything. And we get 2 sheets. I've been blessed. So this is Emerald Barkley. I love her work. I think you guys can see why. It's just really beautiful. And this is another set of like translucent sticker paper with a colored background, so that's really nice. So I definitely feel like the quality has gone up since they raised their prices. Their prices went up like $2 or $3. And we're getting a lot like cooler variety of stickers to go in these packs, and I really do like that. This is really nice. Like just one sheet of this would be like amazing, but we got 2. Ugh, it's stuck to something. There we go. So for this one, I mean, it's just so pretty. Look at the owls, like her line work, her colors. I love her so much. She's like one of my top favorite artists ever. Because it's beautiful. And then the last sticker sheet. Yes, the last sheet we got is by Moon Susan. And this is also very beautiful. It's on this sparkly paper. And this is like more subdued gothic palette. Of some buried blooms. And then this is exciting because it's also by Emerald Barkley. Oh, it goes this way. It goes this way. But look, there's like a moon. It's the skull, and I think it's little sheets of paper. How do I get into it? Mystery. I can't see any seams. That's because there are no seams. Think outside of the bag. There we go. So it's little like, oh yeah, it's little like sheets of paper, like a little notepad. That's really cool. I'm not going to take this out of here. And I promise I will not hoard all of this. I'm going to hoard it though. Because, God, that's so pretty. I just love it. And then the last thing we got, which like double bonus, this one they really like stacked, are these postcards with some of the Galactic Sea illustrations. And these are really cool. These are also going in my personal stash because that's just too freaking cool, guys. I love this. Love this art style a lot. And it's also on that shiny glittery paper. So that's like double neat. So yeah, obviously there's a clear favorite this time around. I really love this one a lot. And I don't know particularly what I will do with the Manor set. I have to think about that a little bit. But this one, like, I already know. Like, this one's a keeper. The other one, I have to figure it out. I might do a giveaway, maybe. Because I have some stuff I, like, have gotten that I've hauled that I'm like, I don't really need this. So maybe I'll do a giveaway soon. And I'll maybe pop that in there. Because I think somebody else who has, like, a more vintage aesthetic would get more use out of that set than I would. And I don't want it to go to, like, waste or just be stuck in the, like, unknowing pile forever, you know, where I'm like, I don't know. So, like, we'll see what I come up with as we move on. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What would you do with the Manor pack if you had it? Leave that comment, and then tell me which pack was your favorite. And then, you know, as always, if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps my channel, and I'm trying to boost it right now. Thank you. Bye.